Anthony Joshua today, 3-round KO. One, what do you think of the fight? But two, what do you think of the Klitschko fight? It looks like he's jumping from a lower level to the elite.
Yeah, well, I don't know how elite level Klitschko is anymore. He hasn't fought in a year and a half. He looked pretty lackluster against Tyson Fury his last time out. By the time he hasn't fought, by the time they fight in April, it will have been about a year and a half that he hasn't fought. So timing is everything in life. The guy's 41 years old. You know, Klitschko had a lot of great years, but we all get old and time passes for everybody. Having said that, I mean, Klitschko is still, you know, a sharp right hand from Klitschko will still end your night, you know. So, you know, I like to see some more head movement from Joshua, but he's fundamentally very sound, a well put together fighter as far as fundamental hand skills and balance and power and all that. So I think it'll be a tremendous event over in England.
Is Deontay Wilder and him? Is that a showdown that's going to happen? U.S. versus UK?
I think it has to. I think it makes all the sense in the world. But you know, they got to get there first. You know, you can never put the cart before the horse.
Who does Deontay have to fight, probably at this point, to get to that level, or is he already there? He just has to wait.
First, we got to see if Deontay can come back from the injury the right way. You know, I'm sure he's going to take on somebody that, you know, he can test out things against. So probably a decent contender, but not somebody that's going to be a threat. Then you're going to probably hear a lot of people complain about opposition again because, you know, boxing fans, they like their own worst enemy. They love to complain about everything. So they'll complain even though the guy comes off of 2 surgeries. You know, they want to see him against King Kong right away. But, you know, you're going to let him work his way back into things, and then finally, I think at day's end, you may be able to see a Joshua fight, maybe at some point next year. You know, and you know, speaking of King Kong, you do have Luis Ortiz in there too, who can also jump in the mix. So it's becoming pretty exciting in the heavyweight division. Now Parker just beat Ruiz in a real close fight. You know, maybe they even could do a rematch of those two because that fight was close. I want to see that. I'm curious about that result. And you know, it's just exciting times in the heavyweight division because you can actually talk about it again and debate about it and have different opinions about different fighters.